I know blowouts don't come this big, but this tyre has been cut open to show you what the inside of a run-flat tyre looks like, and the important bit is this beading. If you want to see how the manufacturers are using this new technology to help save lives and space, then just take a look at the damage that our test driver Lionel did to one of these run-flat tyres.
This is the BMW Z4. It's fitted with the option, which are run-flat tyres. The reason for that is that boot space is really important with a small sports car like this. And if you take a look in the boot, BMW have got around that by actually not fitting a spare. Now, if you do get a puncture with this car, you can carry on driving. With the run-flat system, you can drive at speeds of up to 50 miles an hour for around 90 miles. But I've never driven a car with a run-flat tyre. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to drive the car down this slalom to see how it handles normally, and then we'll puncture one of the tyres, just to see how good these run-flat tyres really are. Next, we're going to puncture this tyre, and to achieve that, you can see I've got a very small stinger device here to take the tyre out. Then we're going to let the tyre fully deflate, and I'll drive back through that exercise, including the emergency stop, and let's just see how well these tyres perform. So here's the hole in the tyre, as you can see, and now the tyre is fully deflated. But if you take a look at the tyre, it doesn't look fully deflated, because inside the tyre is another solid piece of rubber which is actually supporting the weight of the vehicle. The first time I drove the car, it was very responsive and turned in really well through the slalom and did a great emergency stop. But now, just when I turn right, the car's fine, but when I turn left, it's pushing on. Going through this slalom now, as I'm pushing quite hard, it's likely to have taken the tyre off the rim, but the new run-flat system keeps that tyre flat onto the rim. It doesn't lose it, so you've always got control. And even if you need to take an emergency stop, the car sits perfectly on the road. This system is actually very, very impressive.